Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to our channel, Cooking to Inspire. Today's recipe is yet another Navratri upvas special, Sabudana fingers. With the same ingredients, you can make a variety of dishes. This is very simple and easy to prepare. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So beautiful souls, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my new uploads. And if you have any suggestions or comments, drop it in the comment box. I'll be eagerly waiting for them. Navratri upvas special Sabudana fingers. For the upvas special Sabudana fingers, we need soaked and grinded into a sticky paste Sabudana, boiled potatoes, peanut powder, zira, lime juice, mint leaves, chilies, salt, black pepper and sugar. First add the sabudana, then grate 2 potatoes. Add the chilies and the coriander and the mint leaves. Now add sugar, black pepper, black salt and salt. Add the peanut powder and mix it into a dough. Please note, if you are preparing for upvas, don't add salt, add sendha namak, that is black salt. Our dough is ready. With the remaining peanut powder, we will coat the fingers. With this dough, you can make 9 to 10 fingers. If you want, you can add a filling of cheese also. Heat some oil in a pan and fry them.